So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another walk around of the Hero Maestro Edge in this 125 variant, and this one is the 2020 X Connect variant. The main reason why this is in this color is mainly because of this Connect feature, and this one is called as the Hero Maestro Edge 125. And it comes with fuel injection. So in the front you get to see that the Maestro Edge looks very edgy. It has this transformer kind of a look, where with this matte black, white and yellow accents. The front is again a telescopic unit which the Maestro already has in its older vehicles, and is one of the best, I would say, when it comes to the front shock absorption. So the telescopic unit is always better than the clamp side system, with the older Activa uses it. And coming to the front, you get to see that the halogen lights for the turn indicators remains the same. However, if you look closer, there's a small triangular LED strip which illuminates in the dark and ensures that you get noticed in oncoming traffic. The side again reminds us of the same Maestro 110 edgy styling. All the panels are plastic, but really are sculpted to give it a nice look. It has the front underseat storage hook, and as well as on the front apron there's also one hook, and this ensures from a convenience point of view does a good job. And the heart of the engine would be the 125cc engine. This 125cc mill does the duty, and it roughly delivers around 9.5 bhp, and it is mated to an automatic CVT transmission, so which is also nice. And it is fuel injection, so it is fuel injected and ensures to give optimal fueling as well as good pickup. So this is the rear fuel lid opener, and the fuel lid or the fueling can be done externally without opening the seat. And if you look at the storage, the underseat storage also is really good, and it also comes with a seat light. And this, I believe, can take up a full size ISI helmet and a half helmet. It also has the convenience for an underseat charger, which is also nice. Most of the manufacturers these days are giving a charger somewhere over here with a pocket, and that is something which I feel is not that viable, because if you get to hit a bump, then the chances for the phone to get outside of the small pouch, that is always there. So this is something considered to be a good option. The seat is nice, comfortable, and it has this two stitch layering. This side is the softer side, but this side is having these small ridges which helps you to grip the seat and doesn't let you to move forward. And the Maestro Edge comes with us again the universal key, which opens the underseat, the fuel lid, and also the lock mechanism, so which is also nice. Again, from the heart of the matter would be the X Connect feature, which is highlighted by this completely digital instrumentation pod, which has Bluetooth connectivity and also turn-by-turn navigation, which is really nice of this class of vehicles. It also has this i3S technology, which Hero claims as engine start-stop, and once when you come to a halt, the engine automatically stops, and thereby increasing the overall mileage. The button and the switchgear quality is really nice, and it's typical Hero. So from the front, you get to see that the styling of the Maestro Edge is edgier, and it is really nice, and kind of reminds me of this transformer kind of a look, which is for the Bumblebee. So I will name it as Bumblebee. From the braking point of view, it gets front disc, and it also has one drum variant. So the front is a disc and the rear is a drum. The drum is, I believe, 130 mm, and the disc front is, I believe, 110 mm disc. It also has, as I said, both drum variants, which has the combi braking system, so that also is there. The floorboard is pretty wide and accommodates the entire space, and it also has a good footboard space, which is also nice. So overall, if your budget is somewhere between 89 lakhs to upwards around 1 lakh, I think this one would be the perfect street sporty 125cc vehicle that you can buy. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.